Hi guys, so today I want to show you my art therapy paintings which I found while visiting Moscow this year. I studied art therapy in 2009 and then I also had some kind of complex moods, So I remember I decided to paint a series of mandalas, and these are not fancy mandalas where you kind of use different color pencils or whatever and color it, but these ones are spontaneous paintings. This is called I guess like brightness from inside, glowing from inside, 2008. So I was painting them one after the other. Some were done on the same day, some were done on a different day. I think this one was something different. It's kind of fun to go through them now, looking back and see what they evoke, what kind of emotions. I don't see anything triggering me, to be honest. I mean, I'm not crazy about this one, obviously. It's just too dark. But I don't have any like anxiety or anything like this. This is, I guess, my attempt to use Chinese or Japanese symbols. I have no idea what this means. Probably it means something. Несуществующий иероглиф. Oh, okay, so this one is called hieroglyph that doesn't exist. I don't know if it exists or not, just hopefully not, but if it exists, I would prefer to have it something good, but let's see. Let me know in the comments as usual. This is another one. I love this one actually. I don't know which one it's supposed to be like this. If you know what these symbols mean, let me know. I suppose I used a book. I'm gonna find this book to show you. So this book was my inspiration for the calligraphy pieces. It's in Russian. I purchased it quite a long time ago. I think I tried a little bit. Well, in a way, I purchased these ones in Vancouver as well. I have a lot of brushes and some ink as well, but to be honest, I haven't even painted in that way. I love calligraphy, this type of calligraphy, and it would be great to learn. Maybe I should purchase paper like that. Anyways, this was the book Chinese Calligraphy by Zhu Lei Lei. I think they're like this. Alright, so probably a poem or something. But the colors, it's surprising how bright the colors are. They stayed so bright. This one was a darker mood, obviously. And this one is something... Верхушка жизни. Заштрихованная реальность. With a question mark. I guess I meant something which I wanted to transform, maybe. It's an interesting image, I think. Not really super pretty, but quite interesting to me now to decipher. That means top of life, заштрихованная реальность. It's kind of like crossed over, or like when you put some pencil over something, over reality, obviously. I actually didn't know the Slavic symbols. It just came out on its own. But now I'm learning Russian runes and some kind of Slavic oberigs, different symbols. And I think there is a symbol like that. I'm gonna look for it and maybe insert in the video. So swastika type of paintings, it's a good symbol. It's just because of the association with a specific period of time, it became kind of different. This one is a darker mood, obviously. I'm gonna hide it. I don't like this one. This one I probably can work in therapy with. This is an interesting one. They are all very vibrant. I kind of miss gouache, even though it's not something I work a lot with. But I like gouache. In childhood, I didn't like it a lot. But when I studied art therapy, I liked it. Ветер Вселенной объединяет нас. The wind of universe is uniting us. This is beautiful. I never considered myself a painter, but I find those ones are interesting. This one is probably just spontaneous outburst of emotions. I would suggest if you do some art therapy work, use either front side or back side for giving a bit more details. Of course, putting a date usually a must. I would say for any picture, it's just really good to know what is there. Great to have a name as well and some kind of inspirations. You can also use a voice recorder to record voice memos. Just the main thing to make sure that you know what they are about. I like how these ones also are kind of creatively done. It was also spontaneous. I feel like taking some of them to Vancouver, but it's just a little bit. These were actually before my astrology times, obviously it was coming out. Yeah, and these ones are more vibrant ones. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Like the video if you learned something new or enjoyed watching it. Share it with some other people. I always appreciate your comments and feedback. It helps me to know what you're interested in. My name is Tatiana, Life and Glow Wellness, and I will talk to you soon in another video.